Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we have a delicious ground chicken burgers. All ingredients below in my info box. We are gonna need ground chicken, parsley, onion, salt, black pepper and garlic powder, raw oats, asparagus, sweet potato. So let's get started with this recipe. First, I will pulverize the raw oats. Now I will add all ingredients in this bowl with the salt, black pepper and garlic. So now I'm gonna be adding parsley, onion and chicken. Mix well. And I'm going to add my oat flour. And I forgot to mention that, but we need an egg. Mix well and add more flour until you have this consistency. In my pan, I'm adding vegetable oil. And now I'm making my burgers. In total, I got 8 burgers. And right here, I'm put them to fry both sides until they are golden brown. It's time to add my asparagus in the same place. And right here we have the sweet potato. They are ready. So yeah, let's serve this delicious meal. This is the final result: chicken burgers, asparagus, sweet potato and tomato salad. Bon appetit! Please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up and follow me on my social media. And I'm taking a piece of sweet potato for my little girl. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She has own videos every Saturdays and she stays with me every Wednesdays with my recipes. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.